Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Patreon mobile app on your phone in 2026. So if you want to manage your page, check earnings, or post content directly from your mobile, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store and download Patreon. Once installed, open it and log in with your account details. After logging in, you'll land on the home feed. This is where you see posts from creators you support. You can scroll, like, and interact just like a social app. Now tap your profile icon to access your creator page. From here, you can manage your posts, members, and earnings all in one place. Next, tap Create Post. You can upload images, videos, or text updates directly from your phone. This is the easiest way to stay active with your audience on the go. Now go to the Earnings or Membership section to track your income and active supporters. Everything updates in real time, so you can always see what's happening. Don't forget the Notification tab. This is where you'll see messages, new members, and updates from your community. It helps you stay connected without missing anything important. And that's it. You now know how to use Patreon on mobile like a pro. Once you get used to it, you can basically run your entire creator page right from your phone. Hey everyone!